A great hero is fallen, indeed a great warrior has departed, a soldier has went down on its knees, a fearless fighter who wanted to deal directly with the enemy of the freedom of Eswatini has gone to heaven. Heaven, the home of heroes and Messiah. Mbedze, the Messiah of the Swazi struggle, has gone to be with the Lord. Lord, have mercy on the Swazi nation. The merciless cruel regime of King Mswati III has killed the Messiah of the Swazi struggle and massacred hundreds of Maswati. Like I said, a revolutionary does not die when buried, but multiplies. Multiply comrade Mbedzi and outnumber the battalion of the cruel regime of King Mswati III. Farewell, comrade Mbedzi. You are a true fighter. You have fought a good fight and you have finished your race. Rest in power and peace, our hero. Battalion of the cruel regime of King Mswati III. Farewell, comrade Mbedzi. You are a true fighter. You have fought a good fight and you have finished your race. Rest in power and peace, our hero.